Hey there, fellow Smartsheet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to publish Smartsheet in 2025. If you're a project manager, team leader, or just someone looking to share spreadsheets seamlessly, this guide is for you. With Smartsheet's latest updates in 2025, publishing has become even more straightforward and secure, allowing you to collaborate without the hassle. First things first, let's get started. Open your Smartsheet account and navigate to the sheet you want to publish. Look for the Share button in the top right corner. It's your gateway to collaboration. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Publish to open the publishing options. This is where the magic happens in 2025, with new features like enhanced access controls and integration with AI-driven sharing suggestions. Next, choose what you want to publish. You can opt for a view-only link, which keeps your data safe, or allow editing if you're working with trusted team members. Don't forget to set permissions. Select who can access it, like specific users, or even make it public with a password for added security. Once you've configured your settings, hit Generate Link. Smartsheet will create a shareable URL that you can copy and paste into emails, chats, or even embed in websites. Pro tip: before sharing, double-check your sheet for any sensitive information. The 2025 updates include automatic redaction tools, so use them to protect your data. Also, test the link yourself to ensure everything loads correctly. And there you have it. That's how you publish your Smartsheet in 2025. It's quick, secure, and boosts your team's productivity. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.